Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that's a must-have for every orthodontist or dental enthusiast out there. This right here is the DEXA Dental Weingart Plier, touted as one of the best orthodontist wire cutters for braces available in the market. Let's find out why. The Weingart Plier is designed with precision and utility in mind. Its tapered, angular shape makes it incredibly convenient for placing and removing arch wires, which is crucial for any orthodontic procedure. Crafted from high-quality surgical stainless steel, it boasts a mirror-like finish that not only looks great but also ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. That means it's built to last through countless procedures without losing its edge. One of the standout features of this tool is its user-friendly design. It's easy to handle, easy to clean, and easy to sterilize, meeting stringent national and international quality and safety standards. In fact, it's ISO 9001-2008, ISO 13485-2003 certified, CGMP compliant, and CE certified, ensuring top-notch performance and safety. Whether you're a professional orthodontist or someone who prefers DIY dental care at home, having a reliable tool like the Weingart Plier can make all the difference. It's perfect for precise wire bending, cutting, and adjustments, ensuring that every procedure is handled with utmost accuracy and comfort. Plus, with its affordable price point and the assurance of free delivery on Amazon, it's accessible to everyone looking to upgrade their dental toolkit. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, durable, and versatile tool for your orthodontic needs, look no further than the DEXA Dental Weingart Plier. With its impeccable design, ease of use, and commitment to quality, it's truly a game-changer in the world of dental instruments. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get your hands on one of these today. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.